Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is chapter 36, The Other Boy. Let's see what this chapter brings upon us. Well, this was awkward. All around us, music reverberated through the air, heavy and palpable. Couples danced, laughing and swinging around the floor. And in the midst of it all, no one seemed to notice I had suddenly become the rope in an advanced game of tug of war. Dance with me? Now, I knew what the answer should be. I was there with Mason, so I should dance with Mason. Case closed. But as my mind raced to form words and my heart did backflips against my will, I realized some things were easier thought than done. Oh, Mason glanced uneasily at me as they both awaited my answer. Would it be so terrible if I went with him? It's just one dance. But I came with It's just one dance. Even as I thought it, I knew that was a lie. I had never met anyone who made me feel the way Noah Harris did, like I was all fire. I turned to look at Mason, and I watched as he quickly plastered over the hurt expression with a tight smile. Mason, this doesn't seem anything. Right, yeah, of course. Oh god. So this hanged again. I'll see through it just a minute. He gave my hand a squeeze and disappeared in the crowd, leaving the two of us alone. The second he stepped away, Noah pulled me into his arms. I thought he had never leave. Oh, I know, you're not exactly one for subtly. We were kinda having a moment. I saw, that's why I came over. The metaphorically step on Bassett's toes. That truce of yours sure was short lived. Next time, warn a girl when you're gone. You are our drama. Now pulled me close against him until there wasn't an inch of skin between us left untouched. With a sigh, I melted into him. What are we doing here now? Now bowed his head, brushing his lips along my cheek as he whispered in my ear. I'm going to war for you, Addy Price. If you pick him, fine, it's your choice. But I couldn't live with myself if I didn't at least throw my hat in the ring. Our lips were just a breath away for a second. I thought about taking his face between my hands and ahem. Launched myself out of Noah's arms, face burning with embarrassment as Mason rejoined us with a drink in a hand. Mason, we were just talking about. The words died on my lips, and Noah shot me a pointed look. Thanks for the dance. Anytime. As now waded through the sea of people on the dance floor, Mason took my hand and led me across the room. I need you to know that wasn't what it looked like. Yeah, it was, but it's okay. Adi, it's no secret that you two have feelings for each other. I didn't mean for it to happen. Don't know what you're talking about. Honestly, I'm shocked at myself. All of this took us by surprise. No one's mad at you. He kissed my face in his hand, smoothing out the wrinkles between my eyebrows with his thumbs and pressing a kiss to my forehead. I want you to feel free to explore whatever you need to. But I have feelings for you too, and I don't plan on walking away without a fight. So I'm planning this your best homecoming ever. Got a strand of hair from my face. Just then, I heard laughter from the photo booth behind us. I turned to see Tony and her date, giggling as they posed hand in hand. Give me that hat prop. I have an idea. Every few seconds, the slideshow on the wall outside dissolved to display a new picture. That looks so fun. We can definitely top these. Oh, for sure. We are the cutest couple at the dance. The line's not that long right now. I had loved to show you off for the world to see. We look too good not to. A trip to photo booth, sorry, too public for my taste. Anyone who's my friend knows I look good tonight. That's good enough for me. Trust me, you look a lot more than just good. The music faded out, and on stage, a microphone crackled as Ava removed it from its stand. Oh. Alright, Eastridge, are you ready to find out this year's homecoming quote? Give it up for homecoming queen and my cheer squad sister, Lauren Young. Yes. I rolled my eyes as Lauren ran on stage to tepid applause. Did she manage to bully the whole school into voting for her? Now, for our homecoming king, it's my pleasure to announce that the winner is. Hava blinked as she read the card and then forced a smile. Mason Jennings. This one wasn't a shocker. Everyone loved Mason, his team, his friends, me. A spotlight panned the crowd until it landed on his stunned face, and the gym erupted with cheers as he climbed the stage stairs. Wow, it's an honor. I have been waiting for this. Let's dance, Mason. To let him through, he offered me his hand. A king is nothing without his queen. Dance with me? Rude. Don't mind him, Lauren. He is just too paranoid to leave Addie alone for a whole dance. What did you just say? You had years to make your move. What could you possibly do with a few more minutes? And what exactly were you doing the last couple of years? Want to tell the crowd? Guys, calm down. It's just a dance. Stop it now. Cut it out. You two. For once, I agree. Both of you, knock it off right now. Principal Jennings rushed over as the DJ cut the music. He glared at Mason, but then his eyes fell on No. Why am I not surprised that this involves you, Harris? I am going to give you all one chance. Distance yourselves, or we are talking suspension. Noah's eyes met mine. Then, without a word, he turned his back and disappeared into the crowd. Mason, I'll deal with you at home. Principal Jennings stalked off. The music resumed, and one by one, people stopped gawking at us and went back to dancing. I told you, noise bad news. Always has been, always will be. Look, it's over now. Isn't there somewhere we can go to cool off for a bit? He thought for a moment before turning to look at a darkened stairwell. Dad would kill me if he knew, but I did make a copy of Roof Key freshman year. What do you see we take the party up a few levels? My answer to that question would lead to one of the most unforgettable nights of my life, but I didn't know that then. I just took his hand, smiled, and said, lead the way. I guess here's some problem going 7 more. Thank you.